is the jump shot? Well, according to the average smart man, a jump shot can be defined as... But what really is a jump shot? The jump shot is one of the most effective moves in basketball made by this guy, Joe Falk, in 1946. There are many reasons why basketball players use the jump shot. First of all, it's very effective, and since it's very effective, you will get a lot of shots off, and with a lot of shots, you'll get a lot of points, and then a lot of points will get you recognized, which will make you into a professional, and then once you're a professional, you'll make lots of money, and then you'll buy a fancy car, and then you'll buy a big house, and something really, really expensive. And so that is why we're going to show you the biomechanics of a jump shot. In order to show you the biomechanics of a jump shot, we will show you the shot of a pro and compare it to a rookie. First, we will break down the shot of a pro. In the preliminary movements, we can see that the pro uses principles 1 and 5. As we can see, the first thing the pro does is step into a shot, left foot, then right. By stepping into the shot, the pro minimizes forward or backward motion of the body while coming to a stop. Through this, we can see that principle 1 is applied, as the pro squares up to the basket and bends his knees, lowering his center of gravity while gaining a larger base of support. We can see that the fictitious line drops right through the sagittal plane as the pro is squared up to the basket. We can see that principle 5 applies for equipment, as the pro needs to have proper basketball shoes to allow for more stability and traction when stopping. In force production, principles 2, 3, 4, and 5 are used, and accuracy is a result. In the jump shot, accuracy is greatly dependent on force production. The closer the pro can release the ball parallel to the rim on a plane, the more accurate. The plane represents the shortest distance to the hoop. Less distance equals a larger margin of error. In order to achieve this, the pro must release the ball at the apex of his jump. In order to jump, principles 2, 3, 4, and 5 are applied. The critical instant is the moment where the ball is shot by the player. Principles 2, 3, 5, and 7 are applied. As the ball is about to be shot, the pro keeps his right arm on a 90-degree angle and uses his left hand to guide the ball. As the pro shoots, the pro flicks his wrist. His wrist muscles produce a torque along a transverse axis. This gives the ball a backspin. The backspin will allow the ball to have a frequency of 2 Hz or 2 rotations per second. This helps decelerate the ball before it hits the backboard or the rim. The ball comes into contact with the rim and uses friction to shed energy and lose velocity. The slower the ball, the more accurate the shot. The follow-through for this skill includes the player landing after his jump. The follow-through stage consists of principle 1, 2, and 4. As the player lands, he absorbs the shock from the jump by bending at the hip, knees, and ankles. I've been